me turn on some music. I know y'all heard about this Thank You Next song. So, yeah. I have a new wig, and I'm so happy. I know I look bald headed, but I promise I'm not bald headed. But anyway, Hairspells. I got a new wig from Hairspells, and as you guys know, they have affordable, real virgin hair for the low. And it's not a scam. They make sure your hair gets to you in a timely fashion and you're not spending your whole coin to look amazing. So let's just open this right up. This is my first time. Me and you guys are seeing this at the same time. Comes in this silk cute bag, and it's so nice because if you want to like take your wigs with you somewhere, put it in this silk bag because it'll preserve it. So here it is. I opened it. It's in this little cute little baguette. Opening it. Yes, inches. Oh. Okay. I'm netting it. Woo! It comes with this. Oh, look at this. Magic. Oh! Staticky. Okay, so this is the hair. It's so soft. It is so soft. Oh my gosh. This is so soft. I could sleep in this right now. It comes with a little thing to form it. And on the inside, it has this lace from ear to ear. It has 3 combs. I love the 3 combs. Like, if my wig doesn't have 3 combs, I'm kind of disappointed because you need that extra, like, security. Secure your wig. Secure it. So I love the 3 clips in the back and the lace. And it has lace in the back in case you want to put it in a ponytail, and there's 1 clip on the back side. So should I try it on? It recommends that you wash this first. Obviously, I will wash this, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to put it on. But just by finger combing it, I'm not getting any shedding. So this is just for me finger combing it. I'm sure I'll get shedding when I wash it, but at first glance, like, there's no shedding. So let's put this sucker on. Oh, there's also adjustable straps. So we're just gonna put that in. I have a fairly big head, so, and then I have a lot of like hair in the backside. So I like to put it as tight as it can go because I want, again, my wig to be super secure. So here I go. With Hairspell wigs, it comes with this lace, but because it comes with perimeter to perimeter lace, you have to glue the wig down with like hairspray or whatever adhesive you have. So do not mind like me looking crazy. I'm obviously gonna fix and cut the lace and do all that. But this is the thing, and this is what it would look like, I guess, when I glue it down. It's 20 inches. I tried to get longer, but the more inches you get, the more expensive the hair gets, so I pushed the envelope with 20. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my god. This is Brazilian too, so also in my bag I got Oh, I got lashes. They come with lashes. The hair comes with lashes, people. Oh my god. And it comes with this little information card on the inside. There's instructions on what to do with the hair. So the instructions told me to, like I said before, just from buying wigs, to finger comb it gently with a wide tooth comb or just with your fingers, and treat it like it's your own hair. Obviously, wash it. You need to wash the hair before you put it on your head, just for safety measures. It'll come back. It'll come back to this state, but you should wash your hair. What else was in here? Oh, this little information card. So it is Brazilian. Um, and the length is 20, and it gives you all the like contacts and stuff too. Also, oh my god, a coupon for next order. So I'll be ordering again. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so excited for this hair. I'm about to go find my scissors to cut this lace and glue it down for you guys.
So I always start off by pushing all of the hair back, so I'm not cutting anything that I don't want to cut. I'm also going to need 2 white clips to hold all those curly baby hairs back, so that way I'm also not, cutting the baby hairs, because you need your baby hairs to be laid. So I'm clipping those back real quick, and then I'm just going to start cutting the lace once my clips are secured. Then I start to cut, starting with the middle. I'm going to cut it down, and then I'm going to start cutting the perimeter. I like to cut it when it's not on my head because it's easier to maneuver, and I also can allow myself to make mistakes without it being detrimental to the look I'm trying to create. So right now you just see me trying to cut off the lace, but still leaving some lace left so I can glue it onto my head and create the necessary baby hairs without it looking fake. Love you till you burned out cremation. Some don't wanna hit the same spot. She don't wanna bring no raindrops. We go back, remember crisscross and hopscotch. You don't wanna hold me down when the block's hot. Make it cream, yeah, we'll take. So now I'm finally done cutting the front and the back of the lace. But as you can see, when I flip the hair up, I did leave some lace. I left maybe about a ½ centimeter of lace, just so it could help me secure the wig when I glue it down. And right now I'm trying to see how versatile this wig is, and it really is. Like, you'll see when I part it down the middle, the lace is very good with parting, and it's very transparent too. So even on the sides, you can see that when I do glue the wig down, it's the blendage, if that's even a word, is going to be superb. I really love the way this hair moves. It's so soft, it's very shiny, and the lace that comes with it is very, oh, get that out of my face. The lace that comes with it matches like my skin tone perfectly. But I'm not sure if it's matches every skin tone, but for my skin tone it really does help. So now that I'm done checking the way my lace fits on my head, I'm going to see if I can glue it with Got To Be Glue hairspray and Got To Be Glue gel. So this is me just trying to secure the wig now. I don't put a lot of gel on it just because I don't like the way the gel sticks onto lace, but I do use a lot of hairspray because this hairspray kind of makes the lace more transparent with my skin. So you'll see in a few how it ends up looking. I didn't do a lot of edges. I just did like a couple to see what it would look like. So I hope that you guys are enjoying this look. This is what it looks like in the end. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love. It's so versatile. I love Hairspells. So if you're looking for something that's cute, worth it, go get this wig. It's so versatile. You can really just wear it on any side. I can't wait to get my next wig. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna also post some other pictures that I had after I did some more edges and tried to work it to my liking, but I really love this look. Thank you.